I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make idli batter at home, step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 parts parboiled rice and 1 part urad dal, which is a crucial ratio for soft idlis. Don't forget to add about 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. They really help with the fermentation process and add a lovely aroma. Make sure to soak these ingredients separately for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight, to ensure they soften properly for grinding. Now let's move on to grinding. Start with the urad dal. Grind it with cold water until it becomes incredibly light and fluffy, almost like whipped cream. This step is key for soft idlis. Next, grind the soaked rice separately. You want a slightly coarse texture, similar to fine semolina, not a completely smooth paste. Once both are ground, combine them in a large bowl. Use your hand to mix them thoroughly for about 5 minutes. This incorporates air and aids fermentation. Fermentation is where the magic happens. After mixing, add about 1½ teaspoons of salt to the batter. This not only seasons it but also helps regulate the fermentation. Now, cover the bowl loosely and place it in a warm spot in your kitchen. The ideal temperature is around 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it ferment for 8 to 12 hours, or until it doubles in volume and has a slightly sour aroma. This indicates it's ready for delicious idlis. Once your batter is beautifully fermented, it's ready to be transformed into fluffy idlis. Before steaming, give it a gentle stir, being careful not to deflate the air bubbles. If you have any leftover batter, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and ready to use for up to 3 to 5 days, allowing you to enjoy homemade idlis throughout the week. Enjoy your perfectly made idli batter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.